Stop scrolling. If you want to wake up hungry, focused, and unrecognizable in 7 days, this is your blueprint. Not motivation, not theory, real results. Let's go. 1. Win your morning. Wake up before 6 a.m. because while others hit snooze, winners are building. Those quiet hours. That's your edge. Your mind is calm, your focus is clean, and there's zero competition. You start your day in control, not reacting but leading. The moment you open your eyes, drink water. Your brain runs on hydration. Skip it, and you're operating at 70%. Add lemon or pink salt. Small habit, massive clarity. 3. Deep work. Now attack your hardest task, 1 to 2 hours. No notifications, no multitasking. Deep work is how you separate yourself from average. While they're busy, you're building. While they're scrolling, you're scaling. A single focused hour beats a day of scattered effort. 4. Growth mode. Feed your body smart. Clean protein, real food, high hydration. You can't think clearly on junk. Your diet is data. Garbage in, garbage out. Read at least 10 pages daily. One new idea can shift your entire direction. Books compress decades into days. Don't skip that edge. 5. Reset and recharge. Before bed, disconnect. No screens, no stimulation. Your brain needs peace to process and rebuild. Journal your wins, your lessons, and what's next. Reflection builds awareness, and awareness builds growth. Sleep by 10. Not because it's easy, because recovery is sacred. That's where champions reset. Follow this for 1 week and watch what happens. Your focus sharpens, your energy rises, your discipline hardens. This isn't about perfection, it's about progress. Daily, relentless, unstoppable. You ready? Then stop scrolling and start becoming. If this hit you, subscribe for more routines, more discipline, and more ways to build the life you deserve.